Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can mute yourself on TikTok live stream, like on the live studio version. So you're just going to simply go to TikTok live studio, and when you're live you can just simply select mute mic here to mute yourself. As you can see, it won't detect any more sounds if I unmuted it. Hopefully I can do that. Okay, I don't know why it's not unmuting, but you're just going to go to settings here and wait, where's the voice setting? Oh, it's this one, audio mixer. So just unmute it here again if you want to unmute it, and mute it here again. And you can also select mute live here as well. You can also do a sound check right here and select the microphone. I'm just going to delete this audio because I don't use it anymore, but you can just simply select this bit or select mute live and then mute live here. That's it. Pretty simple stuff, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!